Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I know I'm quite late for saying this as it's the 5th of Jan when I'm uploading this, but I just couldn't get it done by the 1st. So today I've got another amazing puzzle box which celebrates 2022. It's one of the coolest puzzle boxes I've ever built on the channel, and its aim is to say goodbye to 2021 and welcome the new year. Without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Enjoy building. So for this tutorial, I'll only be explaining the parts that I think need to be explained and have some tricky bits. And for the rest of it, you can just follow along. And also all the colors that I put inside the puzzle are just random colors, so you can also choose any color. So for the base, here are two 2x6 plates. And wherever I've taken these curved tiles with the corner cut off, you can take a normal one by one. I just placed that wrong. This needs to come first, and then this. Wherever I've taken these 1x2 grills, you can replace them with 1x2 tiles. Right here, as you can see, I've used one of these 2x1 tiles which have a slight slant towards the edges on all four sides. And if you have one of these, it's good, but if you don't, it doesn't matter that much. But it's just better if you take one of these. Then just push it a little bit towards this side, just that much. And then that 1x1 tile. It's better if you take a round one, but if you don't have it, it still works. Just make sure it doesn't fall into the slope right now. Now we're going to make the drawer. These are two 2x1 cheese slopes. Now here I've used this 1x4 plate which has only 2 studs on the ends, but you can just replace it in any arrangement you want. And here where I have used this transparent brick, it's important to use a transparent one as it needs to slide. Then I've taken this Technic pin connector and I'll connect this pin to it. This is a 3-stud long Technic pin, but if you don't have one of these, you can use a regular 2-stud long one. Then place it in that cavity and the drawer is done. Here I use this brick with the clip on its side, but it's not necessary. You can use a regular 1x1 over here. And I forgot to mention it earlier, but on these 3 studs where we place the dark tan brick, it's better if you take them to be the same color, or maybe as I did, because it's gonna make the last two of the 2022. If you don't have a 3x3 plate, you can just substitute it with two 2x3s on these studs. If you don't have one of these 2x2 corner plates, then you can just use a 2x1 here, a 1x1 here, and a 1x1 tile over here. And just make sure that this tile over here is squared off so that it makes space for a 1x1 to fit in that gap, and just like this in. You can replace this 1x1 and 1x2 brick with the 1x3 if you have it. Then take another one of these transparent bricks. And again right there where I've taken this 1x4 plate with studs on only two ends, you can substitute it in any way you want, and we'll only be needing this surface to be smooth. So right there, that gap should be there with tiling. Now let's make the numbers that are going to display 2021 and 2022 on the top. For the 2, I'm going to take a 1x3 plate as a base. And the 2 is ready. Now let's move on to the 0. And as there will be 2 2s in 2022, so just make another one of these. And now let's move on to the 1. And as 1 is going to be a part of the mechanism, we'll add some more layers beneath it. Now I've taken this 1x1 brick, and I'll take this pin and insert it in this brick. This is an illegal building technique, but I'll just use it for now, and place a cheese slope on the bottom. Make sure the cheese slope is facing that side if the one is like that. I just couldn't arrange a 1x3 tile beneath this too, so I've taken a 1x1 and a 1x2 to substitute it. And for the base, for the numbers, I've taken all these plates. Then I'll place this 1 using this corner tile, offsetting it 1 stud like this. Then take the main module of the puzzle, take out these 2 tiles temporarily, and then just place this over here. Then you can place these tiles back. And as the last piece, I'll take this 1x6 tile, place it on that stud. And there you go, the puzzle is ready. If you want to see the solution, click the video on your screen right now. Thank you for watching.